Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see a new concept in the Python, or you can say new topic. So it is about the function in the Python. So what are function? A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Okay. You can pass data known as parameter into the function, and a function can return a data as a result. Okay. So till now we have seen many concepts in the Python and many data structure. Now, why we need the function? There is some need now. Like it is the same block of code we are reading, we are writing inside the a function. So uh, let us see with the example why we need the function. Okay. Suppose we have been given a program where we have to add two numbers. Okay. Uh, Suppose we have to add two numbers. Let's suppose a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6, and we have to add two numbers. Okay, then how we will do that? We can do print a plus b. Okay, now suppose we have to do same thing for the multiple times. We have to do same thing for the c is equal to 8 and d is equal to 9. Okay, and we have to do sum of c and d also. Then we are doing c plus d. Okay, so we are doing the same thing again and again. And what if we will make a function like whenever it is called, it will return the sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers will return, and we didn't need to write a plus b or c plus d or two variable name each time. We have to just write the name of the function, and we will pass the parameter, and it will give the output. So how we can do that? For doing that, it was a smaller example, but suppose we have a huge bulk of code which are again usable more times, then in that case function is very important. Okay, suppose we have to do like we have to print some welcome message each time. Suppose we have to suppose our message is suppose we have to print hi and some text each time. Okay, suppose we have to do each time, like each time we have added two numbers, then after that we have to print text. So each time we have to write the print statement. To avoid that, what we can do, we can make it the function, and each time it will call, it will the print. Okay, so this was about the function. Now we will see again this example, but let us see how we can create a function. So for the creating the function, there is keyword known as diff keyword. Okay, so first I will write the syntax of the function. Like we will write the diff keyword, which will tell the our interpreter that hey, from here is the a function is starting, and after that diff keyword we will write the name of the function, name of function. Okay, after that a small bracket, and then we will give the colon, then we will press enter, so it will give some space like tab, so that it will tell the our program that all are inside the function name, name of function. Okay, this will tell that this all code block are inside the function. Okay, after that we will write some piece of code here. Of course, this could be anything. Okay, after that we will write the result return. We can do return or we cannot do return also. We will see in the this video itself, but for now we are returning. Okay, so this is a return answer. Okay, suppose answer is equal to, we have calculated some we have calculated something. Let's suppose 6, and we will return answer. Okay, so this was about the structure of the function. We will first we will write this keyword. After that we will write the name of the function, then a small bracket, then we will write the colon. After that we will give some space, and then we will write a piece of code, and then we will return whatever we want to return. Okay, so suppose we have to uh, make a function, and each time when we will call the function, it should return a greet message. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, let us make a function diff, and the name of function, let's suppose greet. Okay, we are not passing any parameter for now, and each time we have to print a welcome. Okay, and we are for now we are not returning anything. And suppose whenever we will how to call the function. Okay, so we have initialized the function. So for the calling the function, we will write the function name, and then we will write the a small bracket. Okay, now let's try to run. Okay, so we are getting hey welcome. Okay, so this was about a simple function. We have seen about how to initialize the function and how to call the function. We have seen up to here. Now we will see how to the pass argument. Okay, to call a function we use the name followed by parenthesis. This was we have already seen. Now we will see about the how to pass the argument. Okay, so what are the arguments? Arguments are the information passed in the function. Okay, argument are specified of the function name inside the parenthesis. We can add as many arguments we want, just separate with the comma. Okay, the things will be clear, but let's see it with the example. Okay, suppose we have to add two numbers, then how we will do that? Let's make the function. Till up to here it would clear how we will write the name of the function, like how we will inside the function. Let's suppose diff like sum. Okay, we have made the name of the function sum, and we have to add two numbers. Then how we can pass the parameters? Like we have to pass, let's suppose num1 as the first parameter and num2 as the second parameter. In this way we used to pass the parameter. Okay, and at the last we have to return the sum of the number. Okay, so let us name it answer is equal to num1 plus num2, and at last we have to return answer. Okay, we have done this. Okay, now suppose we have to do let us make a is equal to 7, b is equal to 9, and we want to get the sum of two numbers. Then how we will do that? We will let result, make a result is equal to, how we can we have to store the result in we have to result sum of two number in the result, like num1 is, let's suppose it's a and second is b, and now we will try to print the result. And what will be the output? Output will be sum of two numbers. Okay, let us try to run. Okay, so we are getting 16. So this was all about the basic about the function. We will see a lot of more about the function in the upcoming videos. Till then, keep following.